Hey, everybody. Brian Beckcom at VB Attorneys. One of the questions I get a lot is when you are involved in a lawsuit process. So let's say, for example, it's a truck wreck or any sort of personal injury or wrongful death. Who actually pays the settlement? And here's the answer to the question. Most of the time, there's these billion-dollar insurance companies that are behind the scenes and they're making all the calls. I don't know if anybody's ever seen a marionette. It's a puppet where you got strings underneath. And these insurance companies have so much money and so much power and so much influence over politicians that they can literally pull the strings in a litigation process to an extent that would absolutely shock people. So, for example, here's just one example of what I'm talking about. If you go down to court and you sit on a jury and there's insurance involved, let's say it's a car wreck and somebody's getting sued by somebody else and there's insurance involved, you're not allowed to know that that person has insurance. The court will specifically prohibit you from bringing up the insurance question. That's been the law for a very long time. And the reason that's the law is because the insurance companies know that if people find out that it's the insurance company that's causing this litigation, that it's the insurance company that's ambulance chasing, that it's the insurance company that's causing all these lawsuits to go to trial instead of settling out of court like they should, then people will get very, very mad. So the insurance companies give literally tens and tens of millions of dollars every year to politicians to pass laws that protect them at your expense. And so, look, if you're ever involved, hopefully you won't be involved in the legal system with a personal injury or wrongful death. But if you are, know that most of the time there's insurance to pay for these kind of claims. So you're not actually suing, or the person that you're suing is not actually paying it, it's the insurance company. And know that if you're on a jury, that the chances are very, very good that there's insurance involved. Otherwise, they wouldn't be down at the courthouse. The whole system is designed for these insurance companies to pay as little as possible, and they do whatever they can to bring as much money in premiums and pay out in little as claims as they can, even in totally legitimate claims. So just keep that in mind as you go forward. If you got any more questions, feel free to give us a call.